There's over 1 million people that require hearts and kidneys in the United States alone. There's an extreme dysfunction between how many organs are available and how many are actually getting transplanted.
There's a number of approaches that are currently being used to try to alleviate that shortage. One of them is xenotransplantation.
Xenotransplantation is really the transplantation of organs from a disparate species going into a human.
Revivicor's mission is to make this a better world for everybody. And the bottom line is to save lives.
We started out as the U.S. division of a Scottish company, PPL Therapeutics, that was most known for cloning Dahlia sheep. Here in Blacksburg, Virginia, Revivicor was focused on cloning cows first and then pigs.
So what we've done is make a variety of genetic modifications in these pigs to minimize the rejection process and hopefully extend the lifespan of an organ once it's been transplanted into a human.
We start out our research by doing cloning, by doing embryo transfers.
The cloning technology starts with a cell. It's called somatic cell nuclear transfer. We start out with an oocyte and suck out all the nucleus of DNA, and then we add back that genetically modified cell. Every cell, every organ, every tissue of the resulting clone is exactly the genome of the cell that you started with in that petri dish. We were able to take pregnant sows that were generated from breeding at Revivicor and introduce them into the DPF facility. The piglets that were born in that facility will be the progenitors for a whole herd of pigs that are going to be used for clinical trials. The gal-safe pig was the first knockout pig that we generated. If you have alpha-gal syndrome, any mammal you're going to be allergic to. Hundreds of medical products contain mammalian derivatives. So these patients have a serious problem beyond just not being able to eat their favorite meat products. Amazingly, in December of 2020, we got the gal-safe pig approved by the FDA for use not only as a food, but also for medical devices.
I organize all of the animal-related research at Revivicor. My favorite part of my job is coming in every morning and say hello to the pigs. All of our pigs are indoors. They have heat in the winter. They are cooled in the summer. Everybody has toys. These animals are eventually giving their lives for humans or for our research, so we can only give them a good life. That's what they deserve.
The genesis of this, has been finally the realization of where xenotransplantation has always been headed and arriving at the place where we've been able to transplant hearts and now kidneys from pigs into humans.
Everybody has brought in their little piece to get to where we are. It's been so many years of doing this research, and it just didn't start when all of a sudden we're putting organs into humans.
This is a 25-plus year commitment to the technology. We've failed and we've learned and we've succeeded. This team of scientists, molecular biologists, the regulatory staff, the farm staff has all come together in this success.